You've been around so long, but since you have, we all agreed to honor you with this song. You've been here for 30 long years, and you're older everywhere. So tell us now, when you're gray on top, do you also get gray down there? We know that you'll soon lose your shape. Your figure will start to fall. But you'll be fine as long as you take your Geritol. People say after 30 long years you start to lose your mind. But don't worry, dear, because we all know your mind went long ago. Can anyone to say have a happy birthday? 'Cause you know you've got such class that we couldn't let this go without a little show to say how much we love your ass. This is from everybody to our clever Lieutenant here. You know, just so that we check and see that everything's still working at your old age, we're going to give you a Beaver Award for outstanding achievement in Beaver. And I keep it tucked underneath here. Here's Kenny's Beaver. In case you couldn't see. I'm sure you didn't see the beaver. Kenny's Beaver. Here it is. Now this beaver will come in very neat. Here, maybe you should have it for the video. I think that would be fun. Huh? Well, you know, close. Anyway, this beaver will come in very handy for an older fellow because, you know, he can keep it in his pocket and play with it anytime. And you don't have to wind it and dine it to use it. Really? It never gets a headache, and you have to get it with your teeth.
Just a second, let me get the zoom here.
Hey, Grover will get it for you.